The alarm clock wore. Tom was determined to wake up early. He set 5 alarms: 6, 6:05, 6:10, 6:15, and 6:20. At 6, the alarm screamed. Tom hit snooze. At 6:05, again. At 6:10, he covered his head with a pillow. By 6:20, his roommate kicked the door open, furious. "For God's sake, turn it off!" Tom sat up, stretched, and said proudly, "See, it worked. The alarms woke me up." His roommate glared. "Congratulations, you're awake, but now you're also homeless." Tom sighed. Maybe alarms don't wake you up. Maybe anger does.